Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so right now. So today we'll be doing a review on this orbital sander, Makita. Why I purchased it, also why I choose it over this type of sander. So stay tuned and you see why. So let's see what this comes with. This is actually the first time I'm opening it. I purchased it about a week ago or 2 weeks ago. This is the first time I'm going to open it. So we have the instruction book. So it comes with a dust bag. So good, it's a 220 voltage, and it came with one sanding base. So why I choose this Makita orbital sander over this type of sander is because I can easily take off sandpaper and apply a new one right away. And I quickly and done and gone. This you have to cut the sandpaper and take a lot of time cutting, because sometimes you can cut it too short and too long, and it wastes my time from doing my work. So that is one of the main reasons I choose this over this. Now, this has an advantage over this, because in a 90-degree scanner, for example, in a 90-degree scanner you can apply it right in the bend and it works perfectly. But now, this orbital, it will not go in the 90-degree bend. But still, I prefer this over this, just because it is easily to move this paper straight away and put on a new one. So I'm going to plug it in, see how it sounds, see how it works. So it is performing good as I expect, and I will be using this from now on, and this will take a rest. So thank you for watching, and enjoy your carpentry skills from the skills man. Woo woo woo.